How to buy Safemoon on Trust Wallet or using Trust Wallet. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pippin Business, and today I'll guide you on how you can buy Safemoon on Trust Wallet. Now you won't be able to directly buy Safemoon on Trust Wallet, but there is an option, the alternate solution. What you want to do is, the only way to buy it is you can first open up your Trust Wallet, right? And then open your wallet. Once you're opened up, you want to head over to the buy option, and on the buy you want to search in BNB. So you want to select BNB Smart Chain and you want to buy Smart Chain. Now BNB Smart Chain tokens. So you want to swap your BNB with Smart Chain tokens, and then you want to confirm the conversion has been made. Once you do so, you want to go to PancakeSwap. Now as you know, it is Safemoon's primary exchange, so you can head into your browser and then you can type in PancakeSwap. So you want to head into the browser and then log into your account. Here, once you're logged in, you want to tap on connect and you want to connect it with your Trust Wallet, as you can see. So here I'll just tap on continue, and here I shall be able to get to the PancakeSwap. As you can see, I can tap on connect, tap on Trust Wallet, and then tap on connect. Now once you're connected, swap your Smart Chain tokens for Safemoon in PancakeSwap. So this is how you can do it. You can copy Safemoon's contract address and paste it into your Trust Wallet, and then add your Safemoon to your wallet. So this is how you can buy Safemoon on Trust Wallet. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.